Welcome to the first installment of 48 and 48's How to Make the Most of Your Website. It all begins with knowing how to get in and around WordPress. In this episode, we will learn how to log in to the back end of your new website, set up and manage users, and give a quick overview of the dashboard. First, we will walk through how to log in to your WordPress site. Start by typing your organization's URL into your browser. From here, type \wp-admin and press enter. This will bring you to a page with a space for your username and password. You should have already been provided this information, which you can now input. When you're ready, click Login. This will bring you to the dashboard. Next, we will go over how to create and manage users. From the dashboard, you will click on Users in the sidebar menu. Here, you will be able to manage all current users. By clicking on the checkbox next to the user, you can change their role or delete them completely. Clicking on an individual user allows you to have access to edit their profile or generate a new password in case they forgot it. To create a new user, is click on the Add New button. This can be found at the top of the page when you're editing an individual user, or on the main user page. Once you click on the button, you are only required to create a username and add an email. A password is auto-generated, but you can click Show Password and customize it to whatever you want if you like. The last thing you need to do is select a role. The different roles give certain permissions and restrictions. Administrators can perform every task available through the WordPress dashboard and have complete control over all content. This role should be reserved for those who really need full access. Editors can publish, edit, or delete any page or post and moderate comments, but they can't change any settings. Authors can publish, edit, or delete their own posts as well as moderate comments, but they can't access anything created by other users or modify any pages or settings. Contributors can write, edit, and delete their own unpublished posts, but their content must be reviewed and published by an admin or an editor. All new users are subscribers by default. Subscribers can read your site, post comments, but they don't have any other permissions. Once you decide on the role, click Add New User, and it will send an email to the new user with instructions to log in. Finally, let's take a brief look at the dashboard in WordPress. The dashboard is always going to show a snapshot of what is going on your website. At the top will always be alerts from WordPress telling you about updates that are available or any other announcement it feels the need to notify you about. At a glance section shows you what version of WordPress you are running and how many pages your website is made up of. In the activity section, it shows you the latest blog posts that have been published to your site. Forms show all the forms you've created. It also shows you the total number of submissions and how many you haven't seen yet. The Quick Draft section allows you to start a blog post that you can finish out later and publish. And finally, the WordPress events and news. This will show you upcoming WordPress events near you and any news or product updates that you might want to know about. Thanks for watching the first episode of 48 and 48's How to Make the Most of Your Website.